Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to corporate accounting class. Students, today we are going to solve the problem on the weighted average profit method. Problem already I have given you, that is X company limited proposed to purchase the business of Mr. Y. For this purpose, it is agreed to value the goodwill at 3 years purchase of the past 4 years profit. The appropriate weights to be used being are 2008 1, 2009 2, 2010 3, 2004 2011 it is 4. The profits for the above 4 years are as follows. So profits are given: 2008 10,000, 2009 25,000, 2010 30,000, 2011 35,000. So you are required to calculate the value of goodwill under weighted average profit method. Students, in the last method, we have studied the problem on, that is, simple average method. So it is a modified version of simple average profit method, where additionally weights are given, weights are added to the profits. When usually the profits are in a increasing trend, okay, say weights are usually given like that of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, so in the problem it may be given. Here in this problem it is given. Sometime if it is not given, you have to make assumption that in the form of weights. Students, now we'll come to the solution aspect of this problem. So how to calculate first aspect, that is weighted average profit. So as already given you, weighted average profit is equal to, that is, total products divided by total number of weights. So I will write once again, that is weighted that is average profit, weighted average profit is equal to total products divided by, that is, total number of weights. After ascertaining weighted average profit, here in this method you require to calculate, that is, value of goodwill. So value of goodwill is equal to weighted average profit, weighted average profit into number of years, that is purchase. Students, now we'll calculate, that is the first requirement of this problem, that is total products. So how to calculate, that is the total products. So here we will prepare one chart for this, where we are going to ascertain that the total products. So that is calculation of total product. Total product for which you require certain columns where you are going to depict the given information. First required information is year, then you require profit, profit, then third information is, that is, weight, and the last column is product. So like this, you prepare first, that the columns. So first we'll take the years, 2008, then 2009, 2010, then 2011. So totally here 4 past years profits are given: 2008, 9, 10 and 11. Then profit for these years: 2008 10,000, 2009 25,000, then 2010 30,000, 2011 35,000, 35,000. Weights, it is given in the problem for 2008 1, 2009 2, 2010 3, 2011 it is 4. Now in the last column, product, you are going to get the multiplication, the sum of the multiplication. So profit into weight. For 2008, you are going to get the product, that is 10,000 into 1. So that it becomes 10,000. 2009, 25,000 into 2, 50,000. Then 2010, 30,000 into 3, that it becomes 90,000. Then 2011, 35,000 into 4, 1,40,000. If you total up the product column, if you total up product column, you are going to get the total amount, that is total product, 2,90,000. 2,90,000. Similarly, if you total up the weight column, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, it becomes 10. So what information that is required for our solution? Here we have arrived in this column. Now weighted average profit, already given is formula, weighted average profit is equal to total products divided by total number of weights. See here, now we'll calculate weighted average profit is equal to, so total products here 2,90,000. Already I have given you, that is the formula. Okay, 2,90,000, and total number of weights. Total number of weights here, it is 10. Yes, 2,90,000 divided by 10. So it becomes rupees, that is 29,000. Rupees 29,000 is weighted average profit. Okay. So the one requirement of the valuation of goodwill, that is weighted average profit, we have ascertained, that is rupees 29,000. Now value of goodwill as per this method, that is the weighted average, that is the profit method. So value of goodwill is equal to, so weighted average profit is rupees 29,000, rupees 29,000 into or multiplied by number of years purchase, number of years purchase. So here in this problem it is given, yes, it is 3 years, 3 years, 3 years. So that is rupees 29,000 into 3 years. So that becomes rupees 87,000. So value of goodwill as per this method is, that is 87,000. So thank you. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can